guys, how are you doing? And today I'll show you a little tutorial if you are on the latest build or someone built on your Windows 11, and if you see some bugs and glitch and whatever, and you want just go back to the previous version, how to do this. And it's really a simple way, and now I will show you. First of all, I was being on the latest version, and this is that version 226.1.1926 cumulative update preview for Windows 11. It is the latest build. You see KHB 5027.303, and it was the latest build, but let's go now on my previous version, because trust me, I don't know why, but this version is for me stability, and on my PC and faster. As you see, it's build number 22621.1848, and it's faster on my laptop. I have a laptop and it's really fast, and nothing much new don't have in this latest build. So just go how to do that, how to get back. Like I said, just go to settings and go to update, Windows Update. Now you will see I'm turning off this, because when I will tell you later, sorry. And here you will see all your updates, but you will go to here, uninstall updates. There are your updates, and here you will see build number, and just go here on uninstall. But point is, you know what is KHB number, and uninstall, and you will see on the for date. It was some security patch for my, you see, it's today and yesterday. Here what is, this is built of my, like I said, now Windows version on my PC, and just click uninstall. Now I don't do that. I was do before 1 hour or 2. It's not matter, because this version is for me better, and it's have everything what I need, and faster, and boot faster, and shut down, and when I surf open site, so I was go back. So you try see and compare that two version, and you will see. I was really compared, and I will see that this build is for me faster. So, but when you go to here, when you go and click here, there, uninstall, that will be now, turn off this, because this is the get the latest update, because it happened that your PC go to again and update again to same version. What do you uninstall? So just turn off and go to here, update history, and like I said, uninstall, update, and here uninstall, and restart your PC, and That's the whole point. So guys, that will be all for now. I hope you're satisfied and help someone. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and I will be glad. And bye.